Good morning. So yesterday was really another bad day for the market, where Nifty has now moved down to 5660 level. Yesterday itself the Nifty was down by 0.6%. तो आप देखोगे कि लास्ट एक हफ्ते में दिस yesterday was the fifth consecutive day of downtrend, and most of the stocks, PSU stocks, have really got battered. और इसमें प्राइवेट कंपनीज में एडीएजी ग्रुप, बेसिकली अनिल अंबानी ग्रुप के भी स्टॉक्स काफी गिरे हैं, जिसमें मेन नेम्स तो रिलायंस कैपिटल, रिलायंस पावर और रिलायंस इंफ्रा ने काफी 10 से 15% की गिरावट रिसेंटली एक महीने में देखी हुई है. सो इन ऑल मार्केट में मूड बहुत बेरिश बना हुआ है, बट talking from a fundamental point of view, we think that this is a very excellent opportunity for investor to accumulate some very value pick stocks. So we'll certainly like to highlight some of the fundamentally good stock at this moment of time directly from SRA Research Desk. To name few, I'll name it. One of the important stock will be Reliance, where it has seen a drastic 5 years consolidation, and many positive things have started coming around for this company. So RIL will be a stock to watch in a near future. Bajaj Auto, LNG Petronet LNG, then maybe ICICI Bank, and also L&T. So from our side, this are the 5 to 6 stocks which we think that our investors should be holding or accumulating in their portfolio gradually if the market still corrects. Another thing from yesterday market was the problem regarding stability regarding the government is still there, but I guess it will get sorted out in coming days. So I don't think so that we can see an early election. That worry is now been faded. Yesterday, OFS price for sale has been declared. It has come to 63 rupees, so it is drastically down at least a 10% point from our estimate. Our estimate was 70 rupees. Now it has come to 63 rupees. So it can be a value pick, but we don't suggest a client to just go all out to buy sale at in the OFS, because we have seen that stocks has come down below their OFS price after the OFS has got over, be it like NMDC, NTPC, and etc. So I wouldn't say that client to go all out with the sale OFS issue. So that's all for today. Market is expected to trade in a negative zone or a weak zone for today. It's also maybe we'll take a call how the market pans out for the next week on Monday. That's it for today. Thank you.